Hi, I'm Elise Carrick at the agency. Come on through today and check out one of Rockhampton's best kept secrets at 368 Thozet Road in Frenchville. Inside this deceptively large family home in Frenchville, we have 3 bedrooms plus an office, air conditioning throughout, but wait, there's more. Downstairs we have 2 versatile rooms, a bathroom with modern laundry and great access to the external entertainment area. If you have been looking for the perfect family home in a private and peaceful location, then look no further. If you'd like more information on this property, reach out to me anytime. I look forward to meeting you.